What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see today, got a case video for you guys. Got the official case for the Pixel 7a in coral. Now, I couldn't get this from Amazon or Best Buy. It's a Google exclusive. I ordered it from the Google store, and I had to be patient with the shipping. But this is definitely looking fire, guys. I really like what Google does with their cases. I've been liking Google cases since the fabric cases, and as you can see, ain't nothing matching this Pixel 7a in coral like this coral Pixel 7a case. Let's go ahead and just get to the case. Okay, folks, so here we have the case, and this is a nice soft touch case. It's got a soft touch, but on the inside is a hard polycarbonate type plastic case. As you can see, Pixel branding. Now, I love the color of this case. I love the texture of this case. Sometimes these soft touch cases do pick up dirt, especially in these lighter colors. But for right now, this is looking gorgeous, and I feel like it's gonna be dope on my coral Pixel 7a. We got like an aluminum type button press right here, guys. Nice colorful buttons to kind of like match the whole theme of the aluminum on the Pixel 7a, so very dope. And I like the touch of the Google G on the back, kind of got like that gloss aluminum looking finish to match the button. So very nice case. As you can see, we got our nice cutouts on the bottom, nice big cutout for the camera. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on the device. And here it is, guys, on the device, and I like how everything matches. The buttons match the Google G, the Google branding, and it matches that aluminum frame on the Pixel. So these three things match, and you got this salmon type color, guys. This is not coral. I mean, it may be called coral, but it's not a coral color. It's more a light pinkish to me. The back of the device itself has an orange tint to it, but these all of this aluminum and these buttons and stuff, it doesn't have an orange hue to it to me, or a cool hue. This has like a light pink salmon type color, but I mean, all of it is fire, guys. I'm liking all of it. With that said, I'm really feeling how this case looking on the back of this device. As you can see, we're a little raised up around the camera. You're a little protected, not super protected, just a smidget raised up. So not the biggest case on protection. Big cutouts on the bottom. You can use any USB that you want. And we got these aluminum buttons, at least aluminum feel. Nice, easy button press. So this is how the case is looking on the front, guys. And I like how it look. I like how we got that little raised up lip, kind of being a little bit more protective of the device and the front of the device and the display and things of that nature. You can still see the bezel, but something about having the salmon color around the edges looks really good. The bezel is not taking too much away from it. It kind of worked with the bezel and look a little better, honestly. But yeah, this is it, guys. I'll put a link down in the description, the official coral case for the Pixel 7a. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.